Hi, I'm Kevin Ornelas. I'm an Alpha Collective member, and I'm here with my friends at Adorama to test out the new Sony RX100 VI. Some of my favorite features really is the 24 to 200 millimeter zoom now it has. So it's 15 elements with an 8 times optical zoom. The phase detection on this is kind of borrowed from its bigger brother, the A9, and it has 315 autofocus points. So the autofocus for point and shoot right now that's pretty insane to even have, and pretty much covers all the focal lengths. The 4K video is 5K sampled, shooting over the whole sensor. So can't wait to do some vlogging with that, especially with the articulated screen. And I'm also here testing out the Sony shooting grip that also has got just released. It has your zoom control here, movie and photo mode. So pretty solid, and it's a tripod. All right, autofocus is pretty solid. Look at that. Let's test out this 200 millimeter zoom. That's Saul there behind me. Look at that. That is pretty amazing, and it's still going. Whew. So my honest opinion about the new Sony RX100 VI is that it truly makes me believe that there's still a place in this world for a point and shoot. The 20 megapixels, the 1-inch sensor, the zoom alone from 24 to 200 millimeters, it really has a place here. My honest opinion about this is that I really want one of these guys into my photo bag. Special thanks to my friends at Adorama today for allowing me to take this out. Really can't wait to get my hands on it. Be on the lookout for the Sony RX100 VI. Comes out here in July. I'm Kevin Ornelas, and peace out.